We would like to show you how to further edit a page set in MindExpress 5. In this tutorial, we show you how to personalize a page set with symbols and photographs. You want to edit the page set, so go to the Edit view with the shortcut key F2 or via Menu and Edit. Select the cell whose image you want to edit. Now you can double click on the cell or use the Image button to open the image dialog. Here you can see the different options to add an image, a preview of your chosen figure, a search bar, and lastly a list of symbols that match your search word, grouped by symbol set. This way you can easily choose another symbol from the list. Once you have found a suitable symbol, double click on it or select it and press the green OK button at the bottom right to add the symbol to that cell. You can also directly search for an image online in MindExpress. Click on Web Search and you will see online search results. You can always change your search query in the search bar and update it. Gallery shows images that you have previously added to the page set. These can be images that you have created through web search, from disk, screenshot, or camera. This gives you a useful overview of personalized images used in your page set. Use the From Disk option if you want to get images from your device and use them in your page set. For example, add a picture of your dog. With the screenshot and camera options, you can take a photo and use it in MindExpress. You have now seen the second part of editing in MindExpress 5. You can now add symbols and photographs to your page set.